Good evening, Philippines. Good evening, traders. Today is Friday, the last day. No, not the last day, but the last trading day of the month. And before I go on, as usual, I don't have the disclaimer here. I've been doing some work, so let me do this. See if I can find it here. I guess I can't find it. Here we are. So anyways, before I go on, here's a disclaimer. Any comments made during this live webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This live webinar is for educational purposes only, to illustrate how I trade the legacy strategy that I teach my students. And again, any past performance of this legacy setups is not indicative of future results, or should I say legacy strategy. I must also, again, like I said, this is purely for educational purposes only. I do not provide any signal services. And I must also emphasize that I am neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. So with that said, let's look at the overall, the zoomed out or macro chart. So the overnight, we've seen it go down. You can see right here, we hit profit. Well, not really yet. This is just the local one. So now we're going back to the retrace zone. So from this point up, from 2:30 on, we've been going up, and now it's hitting the what we call the pullback for the day from yesterday. Now the overall one is basically here. We hit the C. So basically we're trying to get down to the D, and eventually it's going to get there. It's just taking its time. So it got to this point, and now it's going to try to retrace back up here again and come back down. That's what I'm thinking. Or it might try to hit this retrace zone up here, or the pullback zone here, right? This pullback zone is from yesterday, as you can see. From yesterday, yesterday's, yeah, right here, where we had the high, that was around 1445, 245 yesterday afternoon, and went down. Continue going down. The overnight market, as you can see, went down, and now we are going back up. So again, we'll see what happens here. If we're looking at the micro chart, or should I say not the micro chart, the zoomed in view, this is what you'll be getting. Basically, we're above. Where is the VWAP here? The VWAP is down here. So we are above the VWAP. We are now hitting the +2 deviation. And usually the +2 deviation, you're going to expect this for a pullback. So you see this come back to the +1. Want to try to go back to +2 again. Now it's coming back down. So we're going to try to test the VWAP at this point, I believe. That's what it looks like. Okay, so again, we shall see. I'm trading 3 contracts, and hopefully I can just do 1 trade and we'll be done. My goal is between 300 to 500 within 1 hour. So if I can get that in 1 trade, that'd be great. So let me put this in mute, and I will talk to you guys later. A bit of confluence here in the pullback zones between going up and going down. So that's why you see this going on here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
I think we're done for the day. Let me see this. Hold on. Maybe there's a setup right here too as well. Hold on.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
So we should be definitely done for the day. Let me check something out. Hold on. Here it is. Okay. So here we are. We're looking at this and it looks like there it is, 1976, right? Yep. So this is what we're looking at. We're 976.12. That's the net with the commissions and everything. So we did pretty good. In fact, gross we made over 1,000. So I am done for the day.